Hey everybody, today on Henry's Tattoos, I'm going to show you how to make spiced lamb cutlets. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start by adding in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin into a bowl. Next we'll add about 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, about half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you want it extra hot, just make it 1 teaspoon, half a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Next we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So what we're going to do next is just mix this all together, and we want to get that well combined. So what I've got here is about 500 grams of lamb cutlets, which is equivalent to around 10 pieces. All we're going to do is toss these in and get them well coated. Alright, so that's looking good, so we'll just cover this with some cling wrap. We're going to put this into the fridge for at least an hour, preferably about 4 hours for best results. Alright guys, so just into a frying pan on a medium to high heat, I've just added 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and all we're going to do is add our cutlets straight in. So personally, I'm going to go for about medium rare to medium. So to do that, we just need to cook it for about 2 minutes on each side. If you want to be more well done, go for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. But bear in mind, the smaller size ones will cook quicker. Now if you don't want to fry these, you can also oven bake them, or you can grill them on a barbecue. Alright, so let's go ahead and flip them, and we'll start with the smallest ones first. Look how nice that colour looks. So guys, another 2 minutes on this side, but what I'm also going to do is add in some sprigs of fresh mint on top, just to get a little touch of that flavour through it. As you know, mint and lamb go perfectly together. Alright, so we're at the 2 minute mark on this side too, so we'll turn the heat off, and let's go ahead and serve. So I'm just serving it up with a simple salad on the side. You can serve it up however you like. Alright, and that just looks amazing, doesn't it? So let's cut into a piece. Look at that, perfect medium rare. So that's all there is to it guys. So obviously serving wise, you don't have to do it with salad, you can do it on its own, which is just as nice. With rice, you can make it with some mash, couscous, whatever you like. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.